I find resistance stretching to be a really powerful tool and pretty simple. For the most part, you warm up the muscle with a concentric contraction, kind of burn through some motor units, because eccentrics generally recruit fewer motor units. And so if you want to go through, these additional sort of unused motor units, it's nice to kind of work through them. So you warm up with a concentric contraction, and then you move into the eccentric. It's a really interesting approach. Those of you that have never tried it, I encourage you to look into it a little bit. There's a lot of different systems and schools out there. And of course, I have an online course as well. But every time we go over it in my teacher training, it's a massive hit. And lots of people can, in the teacher training that have been in teacher training that are here, can attest to that. It's always something that is really a powerful stretching practice. And in many cases, you're not really even stretching to end range, because it's less about getting somewhere and it's more about maintaining control through a range.